Leadership is an essential aspect of any organization, and understanding the different leadership styles can make all the difference in the success of a team. In this video, I will be discussing the 6 leadership styles identified by Daniel Goleman and how they can be applied in various situations. Have you ever been in a situation where you weren't sure how to lead your team effectively? Well, by understanding the different leadership styles, you can adjust your approach to fit the needs of your team and maximize their potential. Daniel Goleman is a renowned psychologist, identified 6 distinct leadership styles, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The authoritative leader. This leader sets a clear vision and direction for the team and inspires them to achieve their goals. They're confident and decisive, but also listen to feedback from their team. An example of this leadership style can be seen in Steve Jobs, who inspired and motivated his team at Apple to create groundbreaking products. Then we have the affiliative leader. This leader emphasizes team building and creating a harmonious work environment. They value the opinions and the feelings of their team members and prioritize their well-being. An example of this leadership style can be seen in the face of the founder of Zappos, who built a strong culture at Zappos and focused on employees' happiness. Then we have the democratic leader. This leader encourages participation and input from the team and values collaboration. They strive for consensus and decision-making through discussion. An example of this leadership style can be seen in Marissa Mayer, who emphasized teamwork and collaboration during her time at Google. Then we have the peace-setting leader. This leader sets high standards and expects excellence from their team. They lead by example and are often hands-on in their approach. An example of this leadership style can be seen in Elon Musk, who has high expectations for his team at SpaceX and is known for working alongside them to achieve ambitious goals. The 5th type is the coaching leader. This leader focuses on individual development and growth, providing feedback and guidance to help their team members improve. They often prioritize learning and development and invest in their team's future. An example of this leadership style can be seen in Bill Campbell, who mentored many successful SEOs in the Silicon Valley, including Steve Jobs and Jeff Bezos. The 6th style is the coercive leader. This leader demands immediate compliance and expects obedience from their team. They prioritize results and may even use punishment or criticisms to motivate their team. While this leadership style can be effective in certain situations, it can also be damaging to team morale and trust. Understanding the different leadership styles can help you tailor your approach to fit the needs of your team and situation. Whether you're an authoritative leader like Steve Jobs or a coaching leader like Bill Campbell, by applying these styles effectively, you can lead your team to success. Let me know which style is your favorite. Put your comments down below in the comment section. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe. Peace out.